Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. Amazon Web Services in Action, 3rd edition, An In-Depth Guide to AWS, by Andreas Wittig and Michael Wittig.
Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a public cloud provider offering infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. It allows the creation of hybrid clouds by combining on-premises data centers with AWS resources. AWS offers a shared pool of configurable computing resources that can be quickly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. AWS is a web services platform providing computing, storage, and networking solutions at various abstraction levels. It can host websites, run applications, and manage data. Services are accessible via the Internet and available worldwide. Popular services include EC2 and S3, offering virtual machines and storage capacity. AWS data centers are globally distributed, with customers able to choose among different locations. New data centers are continually announced for various countries. AWS services enable running diverse applications, such as e-commerce businesses migrating for improved performance and reliability, companies moving business applications to save money and increase flexibility, startups building highly available systems to prevent outages, and data scientists processing large data volumes to save costs. Key AWS features include constant innovation, a wide variety of services, automation through its API, flexible capacity, reliability and fault tolerance, quick access to virtual machines and other services, economies of scale, global infrastructure, and adherence to the latest quality and security standards. AWS charges based on usage, similar to an electric bill. You pay for the time a virtual machine runs, storage used, or the number of load balancers. They bill monthly, with pricing available on their website. Use the AWS pricing calculator to estimate monthly costs. AWS offers a free tier for new users to experiment with services for 12 months. This includes 750 hours of a small virtual machine, a classic or application load balancer, 5 gigabytes of object storage, a small relational database with 20 gigabytes of storage, and 25 gigabytes of data stored on a NoSQL database. Charges apply if free tier limits are exceeded. After the trial period, you pay for all resources used, but some resources remain free forever. 3 major cloud computing providers are AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. They all offer worldwide infrastructure, on-demand virtual machines, highly distributed storage systems, and a pay-as-you-go pricing model. AWS is the market leader with a wide range of services. Microsoft Azure provides Microsoft's technology stack in the cloud, while Google Cloud Platform focuses on developers building sophisticated distributed systems. Choosing a provider depends on each use case and project. When you interact with AWS to configure or use services, you make calls to the API. The API is the entry point to AWS. To use AWS services, make API calls using tools like the Management Console, Command Line Interface, SDKs, and infrastructure blueprints. That's it. You are ready to get started learning all the services and approaches we cover in the rest of this book.
Get this book at Manning.com